In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a word search puzzle in Canva. First, open your design canvas, then go to the left sidebar menu and click on the Apps tab. After that, go to the search bar and search for word search. Click this app and click Open to get started. Once you are in the app, you will see these options here. The first one is word source, where you can use the source of the words for your puzzle. There are two options here. The first one is choose a category, and the second one is enter words manually. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose enter words manually, then enter the words that you want to use in this field. Now you can choose the grid size from these options. Choose the word list position, whether on the right side or below the puzzle. And the last one, choose difficulty, which are easy, medium, hard, and expert. Once you've done with the list and the settings, just click this generate word search button and click add to design. So that's how to create a word search puzzle in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.